Opening shot of a sushi restaurant with a sushi chef preparing sushi rolls. Voiceover begins. Voiceover. Welcome to our ultimate guide on how to make sushi. Sushi is a delicious and healthy Japanese dish that has become popular all over the world. In this video, we will show you step-by-step how to make sushi at home, from selecting the ingredients to rolling the perfect sushi roll. So, let's get started. Cut to a shot of a sushi chef selecting the freshest fish and vegetables at a local market. Voiceover. The first step to making great sushi is selecting the best ingredients. Look for fresh fish and vegetables that are in season. When selecting fish, make sure it is sushi grade, which means it is safe to eat raw. Cut to a shot of the sushi chef preparing the rice. Voiceover. The next step is to prepare the sushi rice. Rinse the rice several times until the water runs clear. Then, cook the rice in a rice cooker or on the stove. Once it's cooked, season it with a mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Cut to a shot of the sushi chef demonstrating how to roll sushi. Voiceover. Now it's time to roll the sushi. Lay a sheet of seaweed on a bamboo mat and spread the rice evenly over the surface. Add your chosen ingredients on top of the rice, and then roll the sushi tightly using the bamboo mat. Slice the sushi roll into pieces and arrange it on a plate. Cut to a shot of the sushi chef presenting the finished sushi rolls. Voiceover. And there you have it. Delicious homemade sushi that you can enjoy with family and friends. Making sushi at home may seem daunting at first, but with practice and patience, anyone can master the art of sushi making. So give it a try and impress your guests with your sushi making skills. Closing shot of the sushi chef presenting a plate of sushi rolls with a smile. Voiceover. Thank you for watching our ultimate guide on how to make sushi. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cooking tips and recipes.